We just wanted to take a quick minute just to kind of look over the serviceability of this machine. You can see it's very easy to maintain as far as the access. Everything opens up nice and wide. This top panel goes up. They put a periodic maintenance schedule on the back that follows the hours when you need to service the machine and the different things you're supposed to do. Very easy to read and follow. Another great thing is the fuel filters in an easy location. The oil filters in a super easy location to change and replace. Super easy access for both of them. So it's very easy to get to the hydraulic fluid fill, the oil. Dipsticks, very easy to locate and get to check oil. The air filters located in an easy access point. One of the biggest things I think is pretty neat is where they put the diesel. As you can see on this, they put the diesel fuel tank at a lower location, which makes it easier to lift up a fuel tank to fill up, to refill, and to put back. And the old machines, they used to be up high. The engine coolers in the back, you need no tools to open this up. You can take a blower, blow it out from inside out. Very easy to close and lock back up. They have a tie down that's in the central part of the machine to tie down from both sides of the trailer. So these are a few things that really stand out that make it easy and simple to maintain.